Laredo, Texas. I think the last video we left off, we delivered in Dallas. So, welcome to Laredo. We deadheaded all the way to Laredo. They paid us to do it. And we're picking up a load here in Laredo, going to Pennsylvania. Yes, sir. Ow! That was my... Oh, he punched me right in the armpit. Oh, son of a gun. Thanks for being here, y'all. Oh. Anyways, so we're down here in Laredo, Texas, picking up. We're on the door. We're getting loaded. 4,000 pounds. And we'll bring that all the way up to Pennsylvania. Due Monday morning. So we got plenty of time to get up there. We could be up there tomorrow night, I think. Or maybe Saturday morning. Early. Because today's what?
Friday.
Today Friday? Sweet. Today's Friday, so yeah, we could be up there Saturday. But we're going to take our time because we ain't got to be up there till Monday, so. Anyways, we're here. I just got attacked by a doggo. And we're getting loaded, so we'll let you know when we get out of here.
Well, good afternoon. We are loaded, and we're fixing to close the doors. He went in to get the paperwork, and just pull forward. Looks like he's coming back now, so y'all ready to get on the road? Hey, you ready to get on the road? I think they are.
All right, y'all. We are loaded. Have the paperwork. 20 pieces, 4,000 pounds. Got my gate pass, so we are good to go. Let's get out of here. It's pretty warm down here today. It's 104 just sitting here with the truck. Probably a little warmer than that. Like, I don't know, probably a little less than that, you know, a truck hour with heat and all that. So, but we're loaded up. Got the AC cranking. Let's get to Pennsylvania. Wife's got the TV going, don't mind that. We can actually watch this while going down the road, which is kind of interesting. But we just stopped at the Love's just above the border check to get a shower. And now we're going to get back on the road. It's going to be 35 to 10 to 59 to 75. Other roads in between there. Yeah, 40 to 81 to...
No, it's all the way up. It's 81 all the way up.
Oh, all the way north. All right, cool. So we're going to run 81 all the way up. Hopefully we'll beat the rain that supposedly, I think, hitting Florida this weekend. In the south, I don't know. Anyways, they said there's a hurricaneada coming, so.
There's a hurricaneada coming?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's hitting the east coast of Florida.
Oh, heck.
It's, I don't know what the name of it is. You guys won't see this for weeks and weeks after, but. Anyways, we're gonna hit the road. She's watching something with The Rock in it. Jungle Book.
No.
Something like that, I don't know. Jungle Cruise. I was close. Anyways, let's get this truck fired back up. Let's get out of here. So, let's get some diesel and let's get some water. So, we're here at a QT in somewhere in Texas, like exit 873 in Texas. We're ready to get fuel, so we're gonna, and it's the same price here as if I would have got to the Love's we're gonna get, so let's use our ES Advantage and go get some fuel. I guess I'll talk to you while I'm doing all this, and we're gonna get water also. Start quickly. Enter vehicle number. started, and then we'll get some water. I've showed this before, but I'll show it again. How we get water. Got our hose. There's I stopped her in, but it's not right. Put on our filter. Sure it's nice and tight. I put the filter on the wrong side, my bad. This part goes over there. Filter goes on this side. Okay. So that makes more sense though. Make sure it's nice and tight. This hose out of your truck. This screws into this. Pull up on the handle. Check your hose, pump your water. Come back over here. Don't mind my mess. Do that. Turn that light on. Check the tank, it's filling. People are gonna ask, how do you know when you're full of water? Give me a couple seconds and I'll show you. Right there, you see that dripping of water? That right there will tell me that I'm full of water. As you can see, I'm on the bunk. I'm going to bed. Wifey is taking over. And we'll see where we go from there. See y'all in the morning.
Well, good morning. We have made it to the Alabama rest area. It is about 5:30 in the morning. Letting the boys out, and we'll be back on the road shortly.
Good morning, you fine, beautiful people. It is 11:25 in the a.m.s. I just got up, just went inside to use the restroom and get a few snacks, and now it's time to start the day. So, we are in, it looks to be the Smoky Mountains somewhere.
We're in
Knoxville.
just crossing Georgia.
Oh, okay. So we're
Chattanooga.
yeah, we're just south of Chattanooga. Well, technically southwest of Chattanooga. But, you know, who's actually keeping actual track? We're just shy of Chattanooga. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. I'm fixing to get my day started and get through there. The traffic shouldn't be too bad right now, but it is raining. So we all know how people act nowadays in the rain. So I predict to see a bunch of non-driving people, including tractor trailers, running their four-ways and freaking out over rain. But that's just what we have to deal with nowadays. So let's get this truck fired up and let's keep heading north. We got to get over to 81 and start running up 81. I don't know how far I'm going to go. We got plenty of time to get there, and at some point I'm going to stop for a 34. So we'll see. Maybe I'll run till 4 or 5 o'clock tonight, maybe. I don't know. Anyways, at least the bugs are off the windshield somewhat, and should be able to see a little better. Thanks for being here, and thanks for stopping back. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, share this out with your friends, and let's grow this community together, and let's get this day started.
Sunday, and I'm going to be fixing to start driving. So come around with us.
We're at our consignee. Good morning. Hope everybody's good. I totally forgot to pick up the phone and record something, so I figured I'd record something now. But they're in the process of unloading us. It shouldn't take very long. They're not very big skids. They're only 3x3 skids, I think. So they're not very big skids. There's 20 of them on here, and that's about it. I appreciate y'all being here. Doggo wants to say hello, even though he's been being annoying today. So we are here. We are getting unloaded. We've been at the dock probably we're done. We've been at the dock a little about 10 minutes. Let me go do what I need to do. Alright, y'all. We are signed, sealed, and delivered. And we are out of here. So, appreciate y'all stopping, coming for a ride. I'll try to get some footage on the way out of here. But we are done, and we are on our way to our next pickup. Stay tuned for that video. We'll catch you on the next one. Be good to one another. We'll live to expedite another day. We're out, y'all.